Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mohit Kukreja and I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Wockhardt Hospitals, Mumbai Central. Of course, we as a team here are mainly involved in treating sports injuries and getting patients back to their normal life when they're injured. But we as a team are also concerned about you not having sports injuries. So prevention of sports injuries is a very important goal that we consider ourselves and are responsible for. And thus I'm here to discuss and probably give you some easy tips to avoid sports injuries in the future. So one of the most important tips that I probably counsel all my patients with is having a proper technique. Whichever sports activity you're involved in, recreationally or professionally, it is very important to have a proper technique. Suppose you're going to the gym, you have to be with a personal trainer to understand how exactly to exercise to not injure yourself. Having good sessions of warm-ups before starting your exercise is extremely important. Also, it is very important to check what kind of protective gear you're using while doing sports. So you should always check your sneakers for any signs of wear, and if you feel your footwear is worn, you should change it. Of course, use of protective cups or pads is extremely important. Use of helmets is very important. The third thing which I would probably suggest is taking adequate breaks. So rest periods in between practice sessions or games is extremely important. Also, I advise all my patients for a timeout. So at least one day in a week or maybe a month in a year, you should rest from all sports activities that you're involved in. Of course, strengthening your muscles or conditioning exercises are extremely important to avoid sports injuries. Increasing your flexibility or stretching definitely helps. And last but not the least, you should never play through pain. So if you feel your joint is hurting and if you feel adequate rest has been given but it's still bothering you, do not hesitate to consult a local sports orthopedic surgeon for more information. Thank you for your kind attention.